Okay, so my dear friends, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before investing your money. Thank you. This video analyzes live stock market numbers to evaluate 5 major companies sharing their earnings report on August 24 and 25. I uses the real-time data to give clear advice on whether to buy or avoid each specific stock. PDD Holdings, the owner of the Temu app, will release its earnings on Monday, August 24, with Wall Street expecting 114.2 billion RMB in revenue and an 18.35 RMB EPS. The stock has dropped significantly and now trades at a GPE ratio of around 9, making it an attractive bargain. However, I advise you to buying it only if you tolerate high risk, as unpredictable Chinese tech regulations often cause sharp price swings during earnings week. XPeng Incorporation, a Chinese EV maker reporting earnings on August 24, is expecting to bring in 20.5 billion RMB, but remain unprofitable with a negative EPS of minus 0.48 RMB. The company loses money because it spent 300 million RMB monthly on AI and self-driving tech, keeping its stock price near yearly lows. I advise you to staying away for now, warning that buying an unprofitable EV stock right before earnings is too risky. Trip.com, a major global travel agency, reporting earnings on August 24, is seeing a big boost from high international tourism. Analysts project a strong revenue of 15.6 billion RMB and a solid EPS of 5.70 RMB. The company frequently beats market expectations, and live data shows global travel bookings continue to grow rapidly. I advise you to buy this stock because it's one of the safest and most reliable choice for steady growth. Bank of Montreal, a major Canadian bank, reports earnings on Tuesday, August 25, with Wall Street expecting 9.7 billion in revenue and an EPS of $3.72. Canadian bank stocks have been performing very strongly, and BMO offers a reliable dividend yield of about 3.7%. I recommend you to buy this stock, avoid big price swings, and earn steady passive income. VIP Shop Holdings Limited, an online discount retailer in China, reports earnings on Tuesday, August 25, with analysis expecting 24.9 billion RMB in revenue and a 3.94 RMB EPS. Wall Street recently upgraded the stock to a buy rating due to its very cheap PE ratio of 6.3 and a rewarding 4.4% dividend yield. I label it the surprise dark horse buy of the week, explaining that because expectations are so low, even a decent earnings report could cause the stock price to jump quickly. I conclude by recommending Bank of Montreal and VIP Shop as the top safe, high dividend choice, while naming Trip.com as the best option for growth. On the other hand, it explicitly warns investors to avoid XPeng entirely. I ask you to leave a comment about your watch list, like the video and subscribe for more stock market updates.